Hello everybody, this is Dean Amy. I am here to help navigate recurring Zoom meetings, meaning a way that you could have folks participate by Zoom or record through Zoom should you need it at any point during the semester. So first things first, we're going to go to my.pitt.edu and we're going to try to find Canvas. That's the first step. So we go through here, we type in Canvas, and there it is. So we pull up Canvas. Now you can do this lots of ways. You'll see all of your courses here. I like to go to courses here, and it's just a little faster. Go to federal courts and federal litigation. So I'm going to show you my federal courts and federal litigation one. I've done nothing so far, and you'll see that there is no Zoom link on the left-hand side. So we're going to need to put in something so that we can get Zoom to appear. So you go to Settings, and immediately you see Course Details, Sections, Navigation. When you go to Navigation, you'll see Zoom. It's down here right now. And you go to this little dot, and you click it, and you hit Enable. Now you'll see that Zoom is above the line, right? It's now one that looks like it's enabled, but don't be fooled. You still have to scroll down and hit Save. Now, once you've hit Save, you will see that Zoom appears over here. And now we know, because it's in this list, right, that it's appearing and we can use it. It's been enabled. All right, so I click Zoom. And again, we have another little trick moment. You'll think, I can't see any way to set up a meeting. Well, first thing you got to do is get this to disappear. So get that little pop-up to disappear by clicking that arrow, and then you're going to see Schedule a New Meeting. Hit Schedule a New Meeting. You'll see it'll show up with the name of your course. I'm going to set it to begin on Monday. I start teaching on the first Monday. And we want to set it for the right time. My class starts at 9, and it's going to go for an hour and a half, and it's a recurring meeting that I want to set up. Now, currently, it's going to do every day, right? I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go to a weekly setting that's going to repeat every week, and I'm going to do it on Monday and Wednesday. Every week on Monday and Wednesday until October 3rd. Oop, that's not quite right, so I want to change that. I'm going to go ahead and set this so that I'm going all the way to the very end of the semester. And just to be sure, right, we're going to put in the semester's going to end right before Thanksgiving. Just make sure you check, right, what your last meeting is scheduled to be. And then you're going to want to set your security. You can either do a passcode, you can do a waiting room. You can also do this, only authenticated users can join meetings, but the trick with that is that when people log in differently to Zoom, they do have a little bit of a problem. So again, think about what you want to do to set your security. You can use a waiting room. I usually use a waiting room or a passcode. You can have the video on or off as people come in. You can enable Join Before Host. You can mute the participants upon entry. I never record the meeting automatically. I set that once I have the class started, and I alert everyone to that. And then, of course, you can add alternative hosts. So if you have a TA or you have a co-instructor that you want to add, that's the place to add it. And then you can go ahead and save it. And then now it will show on this screen what you've set up, and you should be ready to go in terms of when folks may need to join by Zoom, or if you have plans to have perhaps one or two of your classes online. This is the way that you can make that happen. If you need to change anything, you can go in and edit it anytime. So that's how you set up your Zoom link in Canvas. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.